Talking Savage Tech Australia. We've got another new product for the Tank 300. We've got the side compartment little organisers. So we'll just come over to the car and I'll quickly show you how they go on. All right, so as you can see, these here are going to clip on, okay? And they're going to tuck down behind here. Now this will sit like that and bolt onto that. Now I'll quickly run you through how to install it, but you're going to get one for the right and one for the left. Now the hybrid model is not going to have a compartment on this side, on the right hand side, because you've got your subwoofer on it, okay? So you'll only be able to get the left hand side. We are bringing left hand only kits, but currently we've only got the pair in stock, so they come as a pair, okay? So I'll quickly run you through how to install it, and then yeah, you've got access still to all your USB plugs and everything under here. You've still got access to all this, you've got hanging hooks, but it's a great storage compartment, so you can just throw whatever you want in there. And yeah, it's an awesome product. It's full Savage branded, so it's got our logo on it, and it's quite easy to install in your home, and I'll just quickly run you through how to install that now. So in the kit, you're going to get all your pieces, and then also these little doobies here, bases, and then your Allen keys, and we give you an Allen key in it. So the only additional thing you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver to undo the side clips. To undo this, you'll need maybe a pick tool or a screwdriver. I just use a pick tool, just put it behind, and you just pop this forward. So you go straight behind it, pop that forward, then you've got access to the Phillips. Now once you undo that, this is going to be getting mounted behind that, and you're going to be using the factory Phillips to mount it, okay? So I'll show you where all these go quickly now, and I'll do that. This one goes up here, okay, and that just locks down like that. These here are going to be to hold this in place, so you just stick this down here like that. One there, another one there, okay, so that'll hold that in place. And then you're going to get we've mounted these two brackets down here, put your covers back on. So now I've got my Allen key on my impact drive, and I'm just going to line these up, and you're going to get your little Allen key screws that are provided in the kit, and you're going to just finger hand tighten them to start with. Tighten them all up now. So that's your storage all mounted on one side. Then you'll go ahead and just do exactly the same thing. It's pretty much mirrored over to the other side. And then you can just put whatever tools you want on the side here. Look at that. So you've got a storage compartment. You can put tools, you can put your recovery gear in here. Everything, the seat still goes back to adjustment, so it doesn't get in the way of that, and you've still got access to all your cigarette lighters and everything. So you can order that from savagetech.com.au. Head to our website, Savage Off-Road. We're always coming up with new ideas, and this is just another additional thing to add to your Tank 300, so you can hit the 4x4 tracks with your recovery gear in the side, or whatever you want to do. Put nappies in there for your little kids. Whatever you want to do, it's awesome. Head to our website, purchase it now. Thanks for joining us.